This is the copy of the announcement on a bulletin board which I considered bullying when my immediate school head posted on the bulletin board announcing that I was no longer connected with the school. They said there, fellow teachers, the services of Mr. Alfredo P. Coronel to Kasisang National High School was up to November 12, 2014 only. Beyond this date, he is no longer connected to Kasisang National High School. He is therefore required to submit his clearance on or before November 18, 2014. Please extend assistance to him in clearing. Thanks. Signature by the school head. Of which, because of this, I considered bullying. I filed a case against him in court or regional trial court for anti-bullying law, but did not prosper, was dismissed and considered only as unjust vexation. Then later, I filed a case against him at the PRC for revocation of license for an unethical standard because there is no legal basis for posting this on the bulletin board, which is a violation of bullying